Welcome, James. What brings you into Bedshed today?
So we are renovating a house in New Minor, about half an hour away. It's a big transformation. It's an ugly red brick becoming a Palm Springs masterpiece. Now, this is our beach house.
Great.
We've got two rooms that need queen beds. So we've got our room and another guest suite. And then I'm actually putting two double bunks in another room so that we can have 4 kids, so our kids with friends, or we could sleep more people. So we've got the singles. As far as sleeping, well, our kids are sort of big frames. Sandro is cool. He's like a lizard. I'm like hot all the time. I sleep hot. And he seems to relax better when he's asleep. And I toss and turn like cooking an egg, I suppose. I don't know. So I flip. So that's what I give you the breakdown of how we sleep.
Great, no problems at all. Well, I think maybe we start with your singles area.
Yep.
Sealy is a great brand for singles. It's very versatile across all age groups and provides really good support. So maybe we go there first.
Let's go.
And then we'll talk about the different types of technologies to cater for your queen mattresses.
Great.
Well, Sealy, great Australian brand, known for their Posturepedic range, and that's what I'm going to be recommending for your spare room. The Posturepedic range is great because it has firm, medium and plush. What we know is that the Posturepedic range is also great for different body types, and if you've got kids through to adults, that will absolutely service them.
So they're sprung mattresses, are they? Is that correct?
Absolutely.
Yep.
So it's a coil spring mattress where the coils are connected together.
Yep.
And that creates the support for the mattress. The top layer of the mattress provides the comfort level.
And what about the hardness level? That's a medium. Is that the go-to?
Generally, the medium is the go-to because if you like a firm mattress, you can cope with a medium. If you like a plush mattress, you can cope with a medium.
So it's Goldilocks. It's not too hot,
exactly.
not too cold. It's just right.
Exactly.
Okay, so I want to check it out.
Awesome. James, I've just shown you the continuous coil spring mattress with the singles, which is the first of the technologies. The second of the technologies is actually a pocket spring mattress. So the advantages of a pocket spring mattress is that the coils are not connected together, which means that you don't feel what's happening on the other side of the bed.
So one can be shuffling and flipping like me, and Sandra can just stay asleep. That's clever.
Absolutely.
So that's because the springs are all individual.
Individual. So just like this here, you see each of the coils are individual, and that provides the support through the mattress, as well as there's an additional coil through here, and these are your comfort layers. So your comfort layers change according to firm, medium, plush or super plush. The advantages of this particular pocket spring mattress is the fact that through the centre of the mattress it has a coil within a coil, which provides you with lumbar support where you need it most.
Yeah, right. Because when anyone sleeps, the hips, that's the heaviest part of the body, isn't it? And probably the head too, isn't it?
Absolutely. Yeah. So to cater for the head, it has a high-low spring, so that enables your shoulder to be able to move into the mattress.
I have to check this one out too.
That's awesome. Let's do that.
This is amazing.
I know this mattress is great, James, but I've got one more to show you, which is a foam mattress. So let's go and try that now. Tempur is not just any foam, it's a specialised foam. It's created with open cell technology, so therefore that enhances the breathability of the mattress. So it's very unique to any other foam mattresses that you see on the market. The advantages of a Tempur mattress is that it's great for pressure point relief. So when you have some aches and pains, you have a big day, or you're an athlete that's training quite heavily, it's great for allowing you to be really comfortable in the bed.
I'm definitely more heavily than training heavily. So is it because of that technology of the foam?
It's a type of memory foam where it adjusts to your body temperature and your body shape. So it will, once you get onto a Tempur mattress, it will take you a few minutes to actually adjust to the mattress, but then it will conform to your body, keeping your back straight.
Do these have a sort of a firm, medium, soft like the other mattresses as well? Do they have different levels?
Absolutely, and it comes down to the width of the mattress and also the type of foam that's used in each of the mattresses.
Well, I have to check it out.
Yes, please.
Oh my gosh.
So James, of the 3 different types that I've shown you, what do you like best?
I love the direction you've given for the Posturepedic, the Sealy beds for the single beds. I think that they're a really hard-wearing, very practical bed, and I think the kids will be very comfortable on them. I love the second mattress as well, the individual coils, and they were super comfortable, but you sort of spoilt me now, you've brought me here. Like, these are so comfortable. I just sink into it, and I can definitely feel that support under my legs and under my lower back and my neck when I sink into it.
Great.
I understand these are a little bit more of a price point, but this is an investment, and after working crazy hours, I just want to sleep and switch off.
Exactly, and whether you're at home or at the beach house, you need a good night's sleep. So that investment is absolutely worthwhile.
Well, it's definitely these ones. I have to get them.